Let us see one more TET question. Identify the property used in this equation. They have given options: distributive, commutative, identity, associative. What is distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. What is commutative property? A plus B equal to B plus A, or AB equal to BA. What is identity property? A plus 0 equal to A, or A into 1 equal to A. What is associative property? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, or A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. From all these things, what is the property of this equation? Distributive property. So the answer is option A.